What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm going to share with you my people. Quick and fast I'm going to run through that one here. So Rosalie and Candy is a never ending thing with them, you know what I mean? Rosalie and Miss Triple link up. Rosalie I done Candy and I expose some things, right? They must say Rosalie now take care of her mother and in people them. So Rosalie come let it be known, you know what I mean, what she do for them. So we will get in at that scene. Also we have Cheese, you have Sky Diamond, and we have Tik Tok Law, yeah, you see me, bring down Cheese and expose her and how she deal with her youth and something, you see it, we will get in at that, right? We also have Team King and one of Cheese woman friend link up scene, like Team King I try convince the woman for like chat some bad things while go on with Cheese and them with it. You know what I mean? So we will get in that. We also have, you know what I mean, the same friend where I chat with Kim King, Tik Tok Law, yeah, and the next man, you know what I mean, I bring she down, expose her, show, you know what I mean, some defects on her face and a bag of things, you know what I mean, you know, petty stuff. So these are the things I have to share with you now. I don't know if I left out nothing. Maybe I add more things as we go on, so we could get into it with people.
She's busy now with no money.
No, it was.
Yes, when me make one video and post by my page, I sure forget pay feed. Sure as book, I told them I get money after TikTok 3 months to pay out. Yeah? Not alone can pay my rent. When me make my video, them on blog.
You didn't know Cheese when Cheese just go through the border?
You know Cheese never vanished town.
Oh, so boy, I make it look like say she never she was a working class when she just come and she was working.
I know.
And she didn't have a business where I boom down the place. She didn't make money. Not the first them thief her.
Lisa,
you make it look like say she just a look at what this guy. She does fall on all times.
You have to talk and encourage your friend Lisa.
Of course we do it. Of course we do it.
You see when you talk so like you take up fear, she's a go become.
Oh, me I take up fear, Kim, when you talk. And me I agree with it at first when me I tell her say she fi ease up off of the cussing. What you mean? Alright, listen, the reason why I start out that way, you know, because you know I make it look like say she just want to walk this girl overall. And that's how I make it look. You just don't want to say it out. But that's how you make it look. So that's why me I said to you now say she did her work, things did her go on for her when she just come here. I bought him and salt her up. Her friend.
Nobody can salt up cheese and cheese salt up.
What you mean?
He's love friend.
What you mean? That's another thing.
He's investing in her friendship too much.
That's true. Then I eat fuck her up.
I'm tired to tell her she invests in her friendship.
I eat fuck her up. That's true.
She's believing her too much friend. They don't know how to keep themselves to themselves.
That's true. And that fuck her up.
They make everybody know their address. They make everybody know their whereabouts. Them what? I don't know more if about cheese because cheese not got change, so it don't matter. It's stubborn and fuck. I know everybody a beat cheese by the fire. Everybody. Couple days ago.
Oh, so what them do to our what the year? Oh, everybody never that say the people them a fuck with that them do.
That's what I'm saying.
A big fuck with that.
Most I think that did I say a big fuck with. You can't say that. Listen, most people that say a big fuck with. But just when cheese come out to the party with Nicki Minaj and start go by themselves, I say people in start cuss her now.
Because through them they do want them they just want a reason. And she give them it. Then they just want a reason for turn on her.
And she give them it. She knows that she's not a likable person. So if the people them work with them. You understand what I say? You know you're not a likable.
I say that he come bring on Nicki Minaj and Bossett Berry. The man and him could even wait.
Got it.
I mean, see, una make it a big deal.
Got it cheese, Lisa. Got it cheese,
So ladies say come talk the same thing. Me not see nobody around it and make it a whole heap of people Indian themselves. Whole heap of people.
Lisa, ladies are over here in a baga, Lisa.
Whole heap of people say it over here on TikTok.
Lisa, and I like tease of get about the blues and I said, you know, there is following stories and war and something. Cheese and all both a war. Exactly. Cheese is not the favorite and she will never recognize that and move accordingly. You see me? I'm unapologetic, I'm a blunt, and I'm going to just tell her the truth right in front of your face. I don't want the over here to the truth behind
I know.
No, I don't want over here to the truth behind cheese back.
I just like when he make it look like the cheese, I just want born worthless girl.
You never say cheese born and worthless, the world knows. So when cheese that Jamaica cheese, just have a look shop and hustle. But at the time, you have to talk about the future.
You can't tell them that serious are God for them, my lover, for them, God fire.
Lisa, you see the past? Lisa, you see the past will always be the fucking past. Change the past. But you see the present and the future, I hate you have to deal with it. So what you don't know?
Yeah.
What you don't know? What you do for yourself now? I know we are deal with. Me a Leo, me blunt. Me no Capricorn, my mother a Capricorn. And so my mother stays, so my father stays, so my siblings and see all the way. Blunt and I'm apologetic. I mean, no, say if she hear me, she could have click live for me. Me not care.
No, she don't click back the life for no more bad, you know.
Me need to call her, because I couldn't have this, I go call her.
You know, click no more like I said this morning, I went to the family, I put on my bed. Me not know one time that she's the life, me in my bed.
And the only reason why me have this public discussion about cheese online,
she not take the call from you.
Eh?
She not take your call.
Her phone is sitting from me. I call her and tell her to stop because Nicki Minaj, because it look like she mad. When the woman tear out her eye for me and cut off the clad phone.
Jay, we don't understand.
Listen.
If not really, if you not something there, we not said we not stop him in him chat. She not understand. She lost too much for true.
Me I deal with cheese like a sister. You understand? And you see, because to how America run now, and to how Trump I deal with the place, and to how the immigration and some other and cheese and some other on the papers, girl, she should never reach into the perspective for what she go capture nobody abandoned house. So people go carry a coat on them something and take up unnecessary baggage and animals.
People, let me tell you something, man. You see these people who jump the border and go foreign, some of them make it look like say them good and things are going for them and them alright. People, I struggle over there. Them a fear box SHIT out of hog mouth. Enough of them. Only some of them maybe have it easy. We have a following on social media and them a get them money. But for the majority of them, nothing now go on. Them have to do all different type of things to make money. Each up of people. Yo, foreign, people, let me tell you something, man. Foreign is not a bed of rose. You see the people them will have them papers and something, them must struggle much less the people them will not have no papers and no status in a foreign. Them can't pay rent a month time. Them have to itch up a people place and take disrespect and all these things. So sometimes me know say we want a better life more while, but some of the time the money where you save up if you go jump border, you can start one local business with it and try make your way at Jamaica, a place where you can go pick 2 fruits around this and around here. So you know what I mean, you have your own local place, can live on something. Sometimes it not worth it. You understand? It not worth it enough for the time. So let me know what you think. We'll watch some more.
You understand me, I say, Lisa? You have to stay apart.
She's stressed, but she's stressed, man. She's stressed. Alright, I'm the panaka.
Yes, sir.
You're sick in your head.
Yes, sir.
You sick in your head. Guys, may I tell you something? I mean, you know how she stay. Regardless, I still go love her. I still go do the fear. I still go cheer fear. Everybody different. Everybody different and have them own personality. For me, I see a reason for turn my back against say I'm not going to do it. I am sorry. Me I got there. Yeah. Once my sister she not wrong, me I got there, me I got defend her. And that. King, him talk things we are true. You think me not tell her to?
Country of them something the least I don't understand. I don't want it so like me I bring down cheese just to talk the truth. I just attack the
Class I me I talk to her, she not listen. I talk to her rough, I talk to her soft. I pass the to the king and hear dirty Tik Tok liar run off her thinking.
dirty Tik Tok liar. I can't wait.
The one where her home turn upside it down the blood clot.
Liar. I don't like Tik Tok liar no time at all.
So me have a turn on my life and class the dirty woman. Country blood clot wife. She have go let me tell her say she forgot eat she. And she make the husband get fire from the punch and the minister for her black bean and her green peas and her blood clot evaporated milk.
Man used to work at the pantry.
A pantry wife, you never know a pure black bean and green peas the girl name of a blood clot there and evaporated
to Lisa already Jamaica.
But they're all boats. All dirty whore.
I not bring down cheese, guys. I don't want them to feel like me. Because I know enough of cheese enemy there over in the comment section. I not bring her down. Because I go call her. But I just say, I don't like cheese movement them in America. Lisa, me even tell cheese, me I carry my man go beach, girl go relax. You know the cool way there? She looked at me and she said, Kim, is stressing a dog. And I said, alright, cheese, me I go come make you come meet me and me I go along. Me and you go somewhere I want beach. And with me and I agree. Me say when the time get look warm. You understand? And then last week now, before the excitement bust out with the mad at them.
Hold on, give me a second. I'm not hearing that.
Before the excitement bust out with mad at them. She showed me a vibe. I'm saying, man, you ready for go back for
the little boy asked me to cook. I'm going to give him dinner. They ever hear anything go so?
You see, you ready for go back for top now, cheese. We're frightened of this Blondie. Go with your cheese and abandon.
Now to tell you, and 95% of the time I'm call cheese over Blondie, she do it. Over here, I do her here.
Never know. Cheese not tell me no time at all. Say a Blondie.
I can't love company so. Me?
People not here, play.
Wait, sister. I have new juice for you. It coming right now. I nearly pop up.
What the bad juice?
The full line got the blood clot. It's too long. It's too long. Yes. Alright. Wait. Give me 1 second. Wait.
incomplete. Yeah. Everybody know, thank you, Erica. Everybody know you did something. That's why I did vex with somebody. You give the girl. And the girl come back, come give you. Oh, you have to vex with her. Oh, you have to vex with her. Who could have done with somebody if me know say me not do nothing wrong? But some right me I do, I may give somebody, and when you look, them come back and come to me. How me vex them and cut them off? Eh? When I tell people bring on to the blood clot dog, who remember?
Somebody said one puss there for 2 times, yes.
Listen to me, man.
I'm going to send cheese a puss. I'm going to send a puss for 2 times. Somebody
I want to get out some gift because I want to give back Nicki Minaj and Lion them. Lion cost me my soul. And to be honest, we don't give them that woman them gift them and I will get back the soul.
But what are them children?
You know, say every time you have them people around, they take it to me.
Let him show you. I want to go on this.
Real thing, real pussy classy.
Thank you.
All those lions, let me check up the blood clot lion. The woman come give me the beer with me a ball.
You know the church I give you
how much lion I syndicate. Me give them back in a Nikki. They better don't go like because not tell the truth. They're going to take out the paper off from the blood clot city. So the money now go move out of me account. You have to get back your gift them. You have to get them back, girl. If I hear a gift them, I make my life space, so I have to free up me. Your man love me more than you in a Nikki.
Why, if you said it back, you take a worse, you can't see Britney said it back a worse, eh? If I said it, yes.
Lisa, all for worse. Oh, but that whole heap of money that she. How much money? Hello, about alright, you know my time. If I present them back liquor. What the fuck do you man?
Shafu wait first. Shafu wait. Until I see the Shafu wait first.
Anytime she go live, me about $30 for me account. And Nikki, anytime you go live, woman, me come drop one lion for you. That me I tell you, cause that we can't afford right now. Give back a gift them, girl. Want to get back that energy that when we did have one time, me I make my bag of blood clot money. Why not this come over thinking Tik Tok? I still see your Instagram now.
People, me did say it, you know, said Nicki Minaj a mingle with the Jamaicans them too much. She a mix and a mingle with them too much. You say if you're up on a certain level, you have to know that like how much time figure a person on a different level or a lower level than you. Not saying that you're being better than them, but protecting your energy, because you see them people here, although she don't really know them like that still. You know what I mean? So when the gifts and everything did come in and all these things, everything was okay. You know what I mean? She was the best person. But now all of that kind of stopped seeing. So at the worst thing right now, dog, me I tell her boy, you see, some of these people they make it bad for the rest of persons them who really need help. If you're not a person no agree no more, if you no talkings no more, if you're not a friend no more, you see me I say you can't make them go on about them business and you'd even mention them because of certain things where them do for you already. You see me I say you just hold it like a G and go about your business and them go about for them business. But the bring down thing, it don't look good on a level how me see Nicki Minaj deal with like cheese them or something. You know what I mean? She never have to deal with them, you know. It's just love the woman, love the Jamaican culture and the whole heap of mix up and passa. Like she love it too much. You know what I mean? So he get involved in it even though him shouldn't even get involved in them or something there. You know what I mean? But on a level my people, I just saw it go. I hope she learn her lesson. So make her watch some more.
Because back to back, I was way better off on Instagram than here, so.
And she did ask me say if me share. You never know say so over here so nice in a down. Over here nice, you know.
Yeah.
Over here nice.
Over here.
You never disrespect the woman and
I want to get your birthday. I got to follow me. Come here, from the camera, the crowd in our ear. I'm not talking when I'm going to work.
what are you doing? What would you think so? Is that dog? Or would you put your mouth and a soup up? You don't want it there and I'm drinking.
Here she talk to her son. Ask me for my dog.
Not because the name Pope. Don't act like a Pope, please.
Here, yeah, not because the name Pop, don't act like a Pop. Alright, you do that pretty so, you know?
That. I feel like tell us that.
No one but the soul cute. Let's hear about nothing. This is not penetrate nothing but him and then. Because if people sit down and we feel like a garden. I put you with your pussy clad soul. This is just let go the soul and make it come back to the one and simple.
So what you gonna do with the sneakers?
Exactly, the sneakers, she did a boss, but let me pause, Auntie Dan. Pause.
What you gonna do with the sneakers?
Yeah, she said, listen, you know, so Nicki Minaj can't give so much lion and you want to give back Nicki Minaj one lion. If you give back everything and done.
Simple.
Oh, she said she dash it away. Play, yeah? I hear she talk about it. Play, finish play, we have play. She go say she dash it away.
Really blood clots will jump out and go in your back and Nicki Minaj leg up blood.
Hear her laugh after her. Hear them laugh after her.
Bring a link to her hypocrite friend.
How much soul? Two soul have.
So much soul people have. One soul.
Hello.
Take her turn one clone.
They were clone around.
Yeah.
But it's mad when you bring a Lisa be hypocrite to her. She laugh after her.
Yeah. She's a cat. A nice one, Shav.
What did the nice doors?
Yeah, you know? It's not going on.
There's a cheese of 9 souls to put the class. Right, don't need anything.
What the hell is it? I'm gonna just comment what the hell is it. She's have 9 soul and 2 gone already. I said, unbalanced.
You're the disrespect there. She's so good.
I don't have and tell the 2 of them out of
Get them a clone her out.
Because this time we friends that easily enemy.
Because she realized that the people them have her a clone her out.
You can bring my friend's strong soul.
Right now.
To out
Right now, you know what you're doing. You're not going to joke on this guy's serious thing.
Here ya. Yo. No, can't go so chat. What can go so? The woman says she a serious thing. She not joking out.
So as a friend, you know, I can't close too much.
Where you go by?
Listen, so Nikki look close of her.
Yeah, there. 20 million followers.
You see, that means that means that exactly everything when we say it a go on. The girl is a proper crackhead in her foreign. She mad out.
You know, she got reported. You know, she got reported the building to Department of Buildings. You know, she got report the people in building because they kick her out.
She got report the people.
No, as she report them. And that she do. As she report them because they kick her out. And that New York people do. She go report them so they come now so they are going to do inspection. As she report them. That's what she do. You know, see how wicked girl that. Look on it, look on the date of the report, 7/14. As she do it because the people them, yes, because the people them kick her out. You know, see how wicked girl that. Look on him, I say come here right now.
But if people then kick you out or something where them never put you in and you report them and
yes,
they never
go report them.
Yes, they never go report she. You see how wicked girl?
Yeah, as she go report them. See when they make the report make, as she go report them. Look, 7/14. Put you up sky show them as she go report them. That's why she go, she so but she get all picture as she go report them. That's what she do. Wicked girl.
Wicked
I don't know,
girl.
for your place. You take
See
people
there?
them.
Notice
people
to
them
call
place.
for inspection. You see it? As she, the date panny 7.
People, me not lie still, me hope cheese find back her footing in a foreign because foreign and a better rose, my people. You see me I say a whole heap of struggles, especially the people them when have the papers, the people them who jump the border. A whole heap of struggle, man. You see me I say them can tell you them if them people are willing to talk the real struggles how them go through a foreign, the ones them on social media and the one them on social media, me I tell you say, unafraid of foreign. Unafraid of jump border and go over there. Unafraid of go over there and run off. Me I tell you no. You see me I say, an easy place for people. You know might see the glitz and glamour, but me I tell you, a whole heap of sweat and blood, sweat and tears. Enough of them people you have to go through. Me I tell you now, make you watch some more.
14, 11:30. As she go report the people them.
She do?
Yeah, she do it. As
Are
she
you
go
sure?
report them. So she tell them, say, it's like she tell them the construction are going and people living at the building. That's what she do.
Oh, okay.
So she go report them. Because when construction are going, people are supposed to live in that building. And she go do it. So she tell them that people live there.
Oh, okay.
And that she do. Look how long the building then and nobody no report nothing. So all of a sudden when she lift up, they come and as a New York people do, man. that she go do. She call 311 and report them. So and you see she come post it? You see she come post it, look. You see she come post it?
Then
Yeah,
somebody send
she
it to
do.
her.
Not a body as she do it, so she was expecting it. So she call him and probably get it. She was expecting it. Because when you're doing construction, the building's supposed to vacate completely. So she go call them. So you know, she says they want one inspection.
Yeah.
Yes. And yes, they want one inspection. 7:14. See that 11:30. They tell you
That's why
everything.
Wickedness can done, you know. That's
Yeah,
why they tell us
as she do it, as she call it on the building because true, she knows that people live there. She call. A wicked girl, some people.
And I like say she didn't rent the people them place and then give her time to come out so you could have say yeah spite them. But they behind them back.
Yeah, because the building have a permit. All right. See under the bottom, see the permit there for the building. Now, when you do construction, you get a permit, right? So see the permit that they have because you have to put up that make it see have. So right now, because she knows that when you do the building, nobody not supposed to live in there. Habitable because anything can happen. So she know because she knows that probably the man have somebody live there watch the building or something. She call them as she do it.
Yeah.
As she do it. That's why she could have come post this today the 15th of the month and yesterday. So why she business about the people in building? If she left out the why she business about you, why she gonna put up something now? How you do it? I don't know, God girl, how you do it? They are wicked.
So they're wicked and tell lie. Everything
But continue to play with a Jewish man.
When she talk.
Continue to play with a Jewish man there. Cause them they are wicked. Continue to play with them. So right now what that she do, because there's nothing going on in the building. The only thing we're in the probably have violation is because people are live there while construction are gone.
Yeah.
So she know that. So she called 311. That is what they do. When they salt and want to come out to your place, the first thing they want to call a 311 a typical New York behavior that. And when they don't want to pay rent, they call and say they don't have no heat and they don't have this and they don't have that. That's how them do it. So people who don't know about New York know that a typical behavior that. Go ahead, girl, try that somewhere else. And a big deal that.
That's a wickedness though.
Yeah, that she do. That she do because she want the man get a violation for them. Because right now, what happened now? They can't do no construction, they can't do no work,
and you're in there all long and the people they not even know say you're in there. You have to just take your last and go on because them never know say you're in there. But she not say she and the man lock her up too. She not say they got jail. She got jail in there. Now she said something about jail or something.
No, she said the man called police pan her, and try to get her out,
Okay.
But she must show them papers say she live there. Right? So she a squat. She like show them one meal or something.
Yeah.
So that's why the man care about the dog come there because the man can't get her out because the police couldn't get her out. And shame why she come out with there now. The police couldn't get her out.
Okay.
Because she said the police got there already, to get her out, I court the man that will go figure get her out. No, and a warning that, an inspection, them have to stop everything them a do until they can inspect the building. They have to stop everything. All construction have to cease until they can inspect the building. That's what she should do. They stop the man construction and now them have to come. And the internet get her out of the man because she shame why she come out the other day. I shame, she shame.
Me I go come out. Danny say you have to come out. Danny say me I go come out.
Yeah, I shame, she shame. I shame, she shame.
I did look for she said that. Me that look for she said me nah come out. No can't get.
No, I shame, she shame. I shame, she shame why she come out.
I don't expect that for that they bring down. You know see cheese face how she shame when Blondie go there. I went to see she want piss up.
I shame, she shame why she come out. And then the man get her out. I shame, I the shame. I the shame.
But sister, me always hear.
Take up a girl let me chat. That dirty girl, like I don't even know you ever about shaking.
Which one?
The real McCoy or where that bitch the name. Take her up let me chat. Wanna go over cheese.
Jesus. Wanna take her out of the chat, sister say.
Take her out. Fuck you over here do. Yes, we are rejoice. We are rejoice.
She post my listen, if me did get 2 pad cover, you know, so I need to go make a video and get 2 pad cover and knock. Because me not no pad cover and the people so we are rejoicing now. Me have right for rejoice. She's post my daughter and me I wait for the video where she said she have with my daughter. She's for my birthday, she's come on live and rejoice. So me they in a jail for my birthday and she go post what they call it, what they sit there when they take in a jail. Mug shop. So she's rejoice about everybody downfall. I said, me they get locked up for true, for DY, for a drink and drive, and such that they pan life I rejoice with my rats in a jail. I mean, I rejoice, me just attack, so she kills and she needs to have some ambition. And what is happening to her? It's karma. And karma is a bitch. You get what I'm saying? Okay.
Everybody she cuss and class and do the most with them. Anything reach her for reach her. She lucky. See? The man no do her nothing. And she in a the man place. And because the man make she come out of him place, she never lived there. And like she didn't live there, she had the man go back and forth. She was never the man tenant. You see what she do? She will call 311 pan the man, stop construction pan the man. And money that she waste for the man, you know. Is how she wicked? The man don't do her nothing. And she go to the man building, go take over the man building. And because the man get you all time building, you turn around and you call 311 pan the man. And if it's sorry for that the girl, the man did do her nothing.
Who can't sorry for that the girl, sister? You're crazy.
The man did do her nothing.
So what am I say? A cheese really caused all of this pan herself? Boy, may I tell you sometimes we try to bring down people and we end up get bring down. We never hear the line in a cartel song where I say, me I run robot taxi and you call the police and the wrecker just come and take away your too. And that go on here so. Me know one thing people, we're going to move on to the next.
The man did do her nothing as she go take over the man place, go move in at the man place. And if like say you was a tenant there and whatever, you know, I left or whatever.
You must say a man just get tenant no kind man. They don't say nobody that they look
exactly. And then you know, because the man get you out, no, you go call and stop construction for the man place now. So the man have to wait till the city come in and inspect it before construction can resume. You know, see how wicked girl that time people feel sorry for she. I will not alone waste no sorry for.
Go bust up in pussy wall. And that should happen.
Me say look how the girl give her the picnic iPhone, buy the picnic laptop. Little pal boss lady. Where she do all boss lady?
The woman give me much money, I'll give look boy money if you got trim. You look a woman give you money if you cook food and your company internet can say woman name out your oxtail out of your pot. The woman say take out 2 piece and your company internet and the woman say you over there ball. I'm begging if you can stay if you go over there if you can chill.
I got talk about the woman broke up your couch.
And you come at talk about coach.
A wicked girl that man. Wicked girl feel entitled. Feel entitled. Who? Boss lady? No one them is here. This year about Tiki one day.
Oh, okay.
This year about Tiki one day. Boss lady.
Them the people that can't tell that tales about you. And them not know you.
Everybody come and tell the same story about her. Everybody's story about her are the same. You come and you tell she don't like weird drawers, and we say she don't wear drawers for true. She don't have no drawers, because you me say the time we say she don't have no drawers, you know, and it with
none. At two she come and capture land with one way crutches near mouth and one other one. Where girl me have one broomstick and walk on up run from capture land and one man there read a video it $20 for see back in video when in video it. Time they have one camera phone then time there.
The girl stand on the step when you cuss blondie them and the girl wool and the girl front out a door. Me say right then that really choose the girl in no catches we think a cuss. In no drawers.
Two dege drawers you have, you know, and then take off one and left one dirty and a two dege drawers you have. To show you what kind of nasty girl in be. Two dege drawers in come because when the girl having drawers pan the stick, it crutches dirty. All kind of sitting in her crutches and hole in her crutches and a two drawers you have. So you want them to say when you take off one, you don't wash one. And the girl scandal him to blood clot and carry him out. Show everybody in a capture land. One drawers and one nether drawers in come with two dege drawers and so rank. And come across everybody around a capture land.
You can't better off in America. I must say that until in dead. You not live no better. Drawers pan stick.
Drawers pan stick, yeah? Two dege drawers, the girl have a juki pan stick and walk around cap a show. Two dege drawers. In shame, couldn't even go for sitting them down a girl in yard. Because everywhere go them put him out in every waff, must be 14 somebody put him out to blood clot.
So that's what she used to feel it. I mean, everybody over here. Oh my God, it's so unfortunate. I thought she used to feel it.
Married second it up, married third it up.
But Don, somebody say get one little links, right? I you gonna live in a one little house. You're moving furniture in there? And I came up and I show people.
Listen what she want to say. Hey, in lucky your fuck. Cause guess what? You see any of mother they never go there. He may not get evict same way because people have to come out the place. It have to do construction pan. So him did have to come out. Whether or not he have to come out. Him did have to come out whether or not him have to come out.
But nice so when she about she said she get one place and a 2 days she need to move in. When the 2 days come up, feel like she telling her, but she already get one place.
Give me move this man, come here matter about you all chuck. I said where key for you all chuck, so she go drive here. She, hey, make it remember that.
I said one liar girl Latina. I said the girl lie, she lie so till.
Ugly friend them believe the things them when
they don't believe nothing, they don't believe her, them stay on a clown.
I'm afraid I'm when him attack then.
They're not afraid of him. They want to be a part of it. Anyway, the crowd that they want, did they? And afraid of him. They want to be a part. So anyway, the crowd, anyway, they see like a crowd gather, they want in a box. Now, for them, a box wore them, you know. A box wore them.
Yeah,
so anyway,
sometimes when my sister comment where they make, sometimes I see them comment where they make with me, or when me listen them attack in a box, and me I look into it and me I say to myself, say, if me come out here and me tell you, say, this woman never hear me cuss one time in her life. How she gonna know say me is that type of person? She never hear me cuss yet.
Because she never knows say you're not gonna deal with her, so. She never knows that deal with her, so. She shocked.
When the people they see me take off him flesh off him body to blood clot left him with beard next string. The people they still I say it come like when she I say a true and when me I say a lie.
She look terrible, man. She talk about people have AIDS and she look like she have AIDS.
I get bigger and bigger.
She love call AIDS from people and then sitting in and she look like a she.
He could have AIDS to blood clot.
You look terrible, man.
If he have AIDS, he come there with it.
Terrible looking, man.
If he have AIDS, I come there with it. I not round and get it. I come with it. Catherine, what people are going to tell him say have it.
Look. Me say when mother tell him say you frigga, you kind of body else, you'd reach there. You'd reach there. Here are at this me I try avoid, you know, at this me I try avoid your frigga, yo.
She do worse. She do worse and call on excitement.
Yes.
And put so much people in a box and then they are such a tan. Remember the time when the girl go over Ivan, you see she dip off and she show everybody, and then sit there she love. The people them ugly look at no about little boy and little
But look at there when Tracy have a situation with her pitney, she over there laugh
right,
after
because she do Tracy look a sick pit, and she make people know that Tracy have a sick pit.
Yes, a wicked girl that
talk about them suck down if you talk about.
When that woman house and take out her sick
internet can't tell nobody say she have a sick pit. She had put up woman sick pit on internet and put up all woman pitney picture and them there. Fit woman put them up in a bubble, say 1 or 2 blood clot night, all them the wickedness that we then do. And at them they sit down if you lick up about mother wall up phone. You know go suck motherhood. Mother wall up phone. Phone mother wall up and the whole of run a blood clot come. Phone mother wall up and run come.
And as she put but that as she put the phone in a fear pick the face, you know, and put the picnic on camera, you know. Cause I know we don't see the picnic on mother phone yet. As she we see the phone.
Tell me now. All that Tracy should have beat up in blood clot. When Tracy I say I'm gonna look for Ival for beat up, and any one of them in kitchen should have beat up them blood clot.
I told them do it.
Any one of them.
And people have respect for your children. But nobody no have respect. Nobody
that alone for sure on the type person where them is. You gonna tell me say somebody put you up where you have to pay your money and if somebody put you up and if somebody have a sick somebody in that house and you have to carry upon the blood clot internet.
Me hear all Nikki Pat say she know Tracy. And she know because Tracy have one sick daughter. And she know Tracy for years. And Nikki Blacks me here say that. I know Nikki Blacks a woman when know everybody business. And she says she never say Tracy have one sick daughter until them talk about it.
Me have my friend them who have their sick pitney in their house how much years to blood clot. I mean never talk me and them all no matter where.
My people, let me tell you something, man. You see, sickness and them something there, I know nothing for you try if you bring down a person over. Because enough of we don't have control over that. Don't go some kind of sickness we have control over. Like dirty habits will lead up to certain things and we still do it and whatever. Yeah, we have control over that. But natural sickness, no. Like even the youth, no. You see me, you can't expose. And then again, my people, if you have your youth and your youth sick, like him handicap whatever, nothing wrong with that. If a person want to expose the picnic 100,000 times, nothing wrong with that. You're youth proud of your youth. You see me I say, cause me don't know why people tend to hide them youth when them youth have certain type of illness. You see me I say, don't hide the youth, man. Same like how you post your other picnic them. Post that one there too. Proud of your picnic. You see me a year picnic at the end of the day. So you're not supposed to hide them the thing they're bridging. You know what I mean? When you hide it now, it look like say something wrong. You don't hide them. You bring them on the media same way. You see me I say? So, me no want to think. What some more?
Give me no because them the picnic never come out of house of blood clot. Never ever come out of house.
And then when Tracy got to one situation with the baby, she over there laugh after Tracy.
No, she over there criticize her.
Yeah,
the class are like dog and talk so oh pitney have this and the pitney and a one time you guy girl here that most for you go boy girl pitney to blood clot.
Yeah, even people have respect for your pitney.
If you hear the things that she talk about the girl is like a she at the social service and she take off the pampers off of the little girl and she turn her over and she clean and she can tell you everything.
And Tracy said they never see I know say I must see glimpse the baby in the room they never actually see the baby
talk to them. Me no know how she talk to
she
them.
She good for real, me. Not even in a debt.
Classy woman like a dog.
Is CMD she done class Tracy, she and Tracy in a box over
that's what me I say cause she never know. Cause Tracy go back and explain to them I don't know so she over their class are like a dog.
Oh.
And me I say look into it, me I say look at this.
Auntie Dan, you see video for the FYP. I say watch it drunk or them. So you can do in class me and my picnic so I'm in a box with you.
You're crazy. Never in a million years.
As me I mix up, me no love mix up. Cause if me love mix up me that inbox Tracy. I say Tracy go listen how trees are classy and classy. Look at baby.
I tell me can't go on her live a crying now.
Come out me that text say come out I box with them. Come out all them. Me no care about them. They say me no care about them.
And them have to know.
Me see it too, sister. Me say watch it drunk or them.
See it. Oh, come me da watch it. Me da watch it. I mean, I said, look how she just done the Tracy and the little baby, and look how she in the back. I change back her mouth. I say, oh, as I go. So Tracy, explain it to it how I go after you done mud up a girl like
yes, and talk all kind of things where she don't know. But we must over here know, must have sympathy for fear, baby. But she don't have sympathy for nobody, baby. You know, go away.
People for this and people for that and whatever. You know, go with that.
Yeah, exactly. The girl are wicked. Remember for my birthday, the girl I spread the rumor and say me get locked up for DY. Are wicked, you know, it's good for nobody. And I celebrate pan live. Say I go look for mock shop.
Yes!
Be like
and so she stays, she do the worst to people. And then when fear karma reach her, they want people to have sympathy for her.
Adapt the one, no. You want to hear fuck about right put me down moment, right put me down moment to no come for bring me down. Yes, I might time go down on your blood clot and go beard.
The girl dirty body now. The dirty body now, me say the girl look terrible and dirty.
Mr. Sister, you see picture with her?
The dirty man, the girl dirty man.
All in neck trick them.
Sister, when me screenshot from the video, girl
we are not no shame about. And the one you know dash when the one you know you're about 1 million already to blood clot. A shame like a dog. You know having that show you want to go to kill your blood clot.
I hate the girl. See me say me hate the girl. I hate the girl. I hate the girl. So deal.
9 and 10 the girl.
Me say me hate. Me say me never see one girl me hate. So
she said she hates Sky more than him sitting there. She hates Sky more than the other girl. So
Sky, show her the picture. Sky,
you don't do her nothing, you know. Me that girl say she hates you. Me that say yeah, cause I go year to year.
Sky, show her the picture.
Girl just for the affliction, and she said she hates you more. Tree like oh Sky and the other girl have World War III and not like that. So how you gonna get her more? I don't have World War III. Come on.
I bad my body.
Me say when I time we share one of the stairs, me say you can just drop and pop your ass neck when I come down the stairs.
Let me look for the picture and show
yeah, the girl is the man. But oh our son,
chat the picture today when we see your post. Me say blood clot watching neck trim them look like a turkey neck.
But sister, only know me is a professional when they come on to the zoom up and them something. They not gonna miss me. Not gonna miss me. See ya.
Go ahead, girl, terrible.
Go back to Jamaica and done, you know, make them sprawl their head back. You take up space or earth. You tell the truth. Just go back to Jamaica and make your head get sprawled. Cause I tell you, you know, make no sense with you in America. I tell you. Cause you see, if you the blood clot, listen me and lava, you would do in this. Lava tell us you don't mix with the White Plains Road people. Don't go this follow up this bag of dance and him unite for years. So him can tell you. And my uncle drop out there foreign from how long and him been a tell me about the junk of them in a blood clot foreign from 19 how long. Say it me no know. That's why me not do ends with man. Me not bring gal pa ends with no bagger man. Cause me not the panic and me shoot one of them. And me a tell her in front of everybody too.
I'm lucky. She and she's lucky. She and cheese soon bring down each other. Left them
yeah, she and cheese so kick off. Cause when cheese realized that she help her in her demise. I remember, you know, she knows how the Batman help and put up cheese in her. They capture ends and capture furniture and capture land. You understand? And when you look, she follow the.
Alright, my people, so Tik Tok and this brother here, so I bring down cheese and the girl wear different cheese. You see me I say, so we're going to hear what them have to say and then we're going to move on to over Rosalie.
Blood clot, cause my shitlings, Lisa. I'm going to talk about who got to bring down the Batman, show me a place. And then when you hear the whole of them,
no, say the girl don't have no place. No, say the girl don't have no place.
No one says she don't live now in a renter center.
No, say the fear place. I can talk about cheese of our place and don't have one mummeras.
Lisa, shitlings is a delusion.
They don't like each other.
Yeah, them not like, she don't really like cheese because she don't tell her
like my friend. How me feel like my friend? I'm my friend, I go through this. I'm here tell my friend to come on live. No, my friend if you come off a live and go sort out themselves.
Thank you, I'm tell her.
My friend could never go through a hard time. And me have my friend.
My world, me are dead with you, my world. Me eat shit things like a poison.
Yeah, sure. And you over there like an idiot. You go through your hardest time. I say you're pregnant and you have your friend that exploit you on the internet.
For views.
For views. You're an idiot. You're an idiot.
You want to run down blood clot views and the FYP that girl, and I bring down the blood clot cause my cheese, all over that for his cheese to catch cheese done like a bat. When me over there tell her and a liar, yeah, no. Indian, so yes, sir. You want them out this, Mr. Bitch, from you come talk one time and you disrupt everything, dark up the place. You know what? You have to answer them back because them are justify your name for 9 days. And then after that, you go just breeze, and them I say, then wait, now cheese there, when I see. And then them not remember about your blood clot. Them time they are going good, and they just pop
you said
off.
all of them in over there collect money for you, know, and not one of them in the box where collect the money can put up.
No, them not. Well, I'm a top of them come on the next place, come show the blood clot, girl, lip them all on there. Cause the camera you can't come on.
But not friend now, no. You don't say I use the girl. Like girl I go to her demise, tell the girl if you come off her internet, what kind of friend you will be? I use the girl. Use the girl for exploit her in her demise. You know say I idiot, and I a bunch of idiot. You know the girl don't live nowhere, you go tell the girl about come up and do house tour. You know from heaven and earth so the girl don't live nowhere. You go tell the girl come up and do house tour. Girl, me don't know you from a can of paint. I don't know you, me don't know none of you. You can talk anything you want to talk. I don't know you. I mean, no girl in the 876 era code can't argue, girl. You know where you come from, Marvelly. You know where you come from, girl. Me, you know, we're not the same. She desperate. Desperate for one platform till she weak. Desperate. Over there, boss, I scream out her throat for one damn donut. Move from your sangwe. Girl, I scream out your throat for girl pay your internet bill and dirty shiny with the tea and dirty setup vlog. You know, no line go near mouth and go.
Yeah, see how she and Lioness kick off over there. Cause true Lioness now share fair point of view at the moment. And then look them stay Sabaman kick off and now she talk about she want expose Lioness.
Expose Lioness to her.
And I talk about back and belly rat.
Lioness used to give her. Lioness used to give her. That's the difference. Lioness, you can't expose nobody will give you. You can't expose nobody who used to feed you and give you.
Tell her again.
What you talk about? No can't all you can do, you know, when you come, you go get picture and post up all over. Nobody no care, girl.
Be a fake picture.
Just sit down
and them love you there, you know. Put me in the big box there.
Nobody can anybody where used to give you. Nobody you can't class nobody where used to give you.
Look on them out there. Put me in the big box there. Look on them out there.
You can't class nobody where used to give you.
Look on them out there paper. Look on them cigarette ganja gunman out there. Look on them blood clot ganja gunman out there. Look on all the blood clot. All of them. I'm gonna find the one with the gunman foot them. All on there. Oh, yeah, do that stuff, yeah.
You try so hard to be relevant and dirty, stinking shiny with the tea. No favor drunk, bro. Move from your stuff and go.
Look at life. Look on that one, yeah. How it look like. No analysis of that. That our bestie. We should put in our demise. Make the bestie homeless now.
I saw anybody, me say one day, me say the girl stone and class fancy. And me say
yes, the eyebrow them painting.
I want thing with fancy. Me know, me say fancy really go over there and make all cross.
People say shit things that look on the name of bottom. Say shit things that face.
Me say fancy really make the germs there talk to her, sir.
Look on the what them in her face paper. Shit, liar. Look on the what them in her shit things face.
I freeze. She forgot freeze them off.
And laser. Paper look on the girl was a shot at girl.
Then worry about the wrong thing. Worry about everybody else. We better all live better than all I know. We not worry about people that live better than all I know.
Boy, you bumbo clot, I bring down the girl and the girl look better than you in a real life. How you do?
And the girl live better than the whole of them over there. Everybody live with the back class live better than them. Live much better than them. Everybody with the back class live better than them. The girl over there so I cost people for donut and can't pay internet bill. Girl, move from your song way. Move from your song way.
Links, watch her again. Hold on there. Watch your eyebrow. Watch her. Watch your face up close. And filter bounce on.
If you bring it over there, bring down people. If you bring your ass, I don't care.
Bring her down right to the ground. Cause she walk and tell be a lie for me. You gotta suck out your mother girl and stop tell lie. Why the blood clot cheese and fear? Cheese never tell her say you gonna run out and drop straight for your bumbo clot face. Cheese never tell her say you gonna drop. Why you think Cheese block me over Instagram? Cheese even like me comment them. Watch out.
Oh, look at over there talk about who suck hood and who not suck hood and who pussy big and who not pussy not big. That's all they can talk about. You're illiterate, no ass. You're very illiterate.
Who that like my comment them when me a diss her up over IG to me a deal with a rough shuffle black me. Who that? Nobody had about jet?
Exactly. Like, you see if they comment you say about King mix up, me see two of them
yes,
argue.
Man, I mean,
and me turn to somebody and me say, you know if you're Indian that the pum pum Indian. Yes.
But
me turn to somebody.
Tell her say I made that.
Me turn to somebody and me say, you know if you're Indian that a class over IG.
I want to tell them no, I'm not go around and hold my mouth and talk, you know. I want to from them I keep up fuck with me, I gotta hear out them business. In love, in memory of dead girl, dead old girl. Watch it. Look by your bum buckle about your paint and eyebrow.
When she click her live. Oh, you have to click your live every day come. Accost people. And there's a cuss so. You know, see, that's why you're stagnant. That's why you're fucking stagnant over there.
Hey, people, me tell you something, man. You see this internet thing, yeah? You see, before you come on it, make sure so you don't have no skeleton in your closet. Yeah, make sure of that, because if you come in the bagger with them people, yeah, remember, me tell you, and the chances are guarantee them are going to find the dirt them, because people will know you are going to give them the dirt them, and them are going to dig till them find more. You see, but I say, so people, just this bagger thing, if you come on the internet and want to make a name, me no feel like say this is the way to go. Make the people them already in them bagger, yeah, continue to do them thing, because them are go expose you. You see me? So make watch some more.
Because all you can click your live and cost people and class people, we're better than you.
So who should want to send for what day for come this me? So who should want to send for come this more there?
We're better than you. You cannot cut the class people. We're better than you.
She thinks Lisa best friend. Yeah. One bulby badness. Lisa best friend. One shitty bulby badness when them catching a bed with man. And I tell people about time grandfather. Oh, grandfather will empire so. Lisa not them batty boy. You want come to boy. You come run program. You know so I shoot them yeah. Lisa, you know so I shoot them.
But she did about Tiki. They don't share about no. She love about no batty man. And she have Tiki. I give Tiki when I have him match. I'm sure about there about no batty man.
Why we are gonna come let's see me on my blood clad work. One where you go? You come circle me later. You come circle me later.
I'm setting right back right now.
For what?
Later.
Yeah. Shut me on a wheel. Boy, I believe I beg you one wheel to the butt, boy, rough. We are trying to go up in a ranking. We don't make Batman take over the app and now shoot for real woman again. Try to want 3 money gun for reach at 15. Come. Boy, Candy say you and him at the team. Yeah, Candy can never be the same. They grow up in our house. With family. My mama hate me and my father can't stand me. My mama did that so my father I can't call him at any time. Every month me said money got country go give me blood clot family. Give me family every blood clot month. Every month me go long a town long a peanut ground. Sometime when me no go Jakes go. Every blood clot month. I want them call me and bad me up. Me tell us I want money for buy food. Me say me never send money come here 2 times. A 2 times since month me send money go country. 2 times me send 30,000. To the month yeah. I'm decide so me not send no more till blood clot next month. Cause them too much. Tell me nothing. Oh me I give checks and me not give my mother money. Any money at time my mother wash up do ask. Ask if I do a blood clot ask. Me not afraid to give her $1. Me not afraid to give her like me a give stranger. Me not afraid for blood cause she know that. If me a give stranger what the fuck me afraid for blood? How when me hate her she hate me. I don't saw life go. That brother Anisha there. Eh? First super chat. Anisha there.
She'll come here later. Right now, I'm going to give my other sister 10,000 like she want one phone. I should come here and get it. But make sure draw the money for get for buy one phone. I should come here and buy it. Come tell her if I say tomorrow when I draw one money, cause me dey go draw one money and buy the fridge, but just plug it in cause the fridge never work. So I said to her, I say, when you come later on, I go draw one money and get 10,000, you make up and way you go buy one phone. Anything at all my mama want, she can beg me. I want me eat her like pies. Come here tell you, know. Me and I can't blow, we can't stand her. All this. Can make Jakes not invent bun, walla black. Make Jakes one bun me, I'll never do a bun him back and get it even, that me say. And not Jakes time now. Anything at all my family want it and call them get it. Any one of them. And me not lend no money. If I say you want, you borrow, me not lend. So one is 130,000 go where you go. And my family them. You don't know nothing about me and my family them. Yeah. I want them dirty, stink and rotten. With your stinking blood clot. And I go let me growing now. My mother did give me to my granny for me at 7 months old. Treat and not. My granny raised me for me at granny love me grow with. So I'm not awful of people. I'm not like back and belly rat. And granny love me grow with. And granny love me grow with. Granny love. Treat and not. I wanna focus in the chat. Oh. And granny love me grow with granny love. When I focus, I have to try go up there. Blood clot. I kick off the blood clot match and take off the woman.
So what's up, short?
A granny love me grow with. And my granny grow me for me at 7 months old. Me know I love me. And I when Jakes beat me and I kill me, him take care and pity them. And me nah hate him for that. Him take care and pity them. They stink like shit. Our gully you growing a little boy, me can never be the same thing. Cause suck your mother. Me no walk on thief. He's a thief in look blood clot boy. He's a puss. Oh. Back in the blood clot. Back in the days when Canada them they are roadside, a thief, them thief. A thief, yeah, thief the local boy phone. I know I am a task feed. I give him one stab and analyze the woman pick me. Me can never be the same thing. Me not have no blood for my hand. You see me a pass by in a life. Look at me I cry for something. Look at me I cry for something. A weekend I go buy my pity them book. Look at me I cry for something. And them fat and look good. Look at me I cry for something. Never see me there about my mother come hug me up. We not here to one another as I wanna think. I done my mother already. Come suck me. And I come talk about, oh, my daughter talk to me. Oh, my daughter talk to me like me in her side. My daughter can't ramp with me. She on the prime. Me was step in a Shanta hole. Step in there. She can't ramp with me. She can't put her hand for lick me. I had chat off him about, oh, your daughter so box down. My daughter can't box me down. She on the prime. Me was step up in her face. And me carry her come here. Come on and ramp with me. You want beard, a beard, dirty clothes I wear candy. Me a got body good for you, you know want 30 top. You frownsy. Can you wear the clothes and put them on and wear them, but can you not wash? Can you not have time for that? Nobody ever hear candy say I'm gonna wash it pan live yet. Him don't wash. Him don't wash. Pay dirty clothes you wear. You see the house look. Chat on the catch his speed. Cause I don't know go on, I wanna catch my stop talk. Cause I don't know go on, I wanna catch his speed. Cause the speed I fi catch, cause Batman not get the privilege over me over here. So I wanna go on.
Well, people, I think Candy have machines still, with the wash part. You know what I mean? So, people with machine, them not say them a go wash. You see me, I say, them depend live and them clothes in a machine and wash the same way. And I like one time when you have to use your hand them. You know what I mean? You depend live and you think them in at the wash. You see me, I say, you never see Candy look no type of way still. You know what I mean? Like him no watch at them way there. But them say cuss no bring nothing good here, man. So make a watch some more, people.
I'm gonna when them type black them. Cause I get Candy for money for go store shit. After 3 weeks now Candy in the hotel room, 1 hotel room, 2 bed. I force some I eat on a congli. Who eat me so on fun? Force some. Him and Bubble Gum depend one bed and him and one next man depend one bed and the two of them are fucking at the one space and I burn the cooking at the one space. When the door bust in the stink and I eat me so on fun over here. Anyone I want to type moderator, don't spare no girl, block them. Look what people there with pity we are suffer on that dead for say eh. But on our phone one Batman for story shit. Cause if he man not mind him, you know? I mind all of him and them. It will not fun. If you over here beg on 2 gift, we never give you a scan, come bloop, 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 bloop. I eat him get and feel like him as somebody, not pass your place. Remember who you are. Remember who you are. 1 room, 2 bed. Bubble Gum there with 1 man and him there with 1 man. And them are fucking at the same capacity. 4 some and I shit them at dig and it stink. And them are burn coke while them at it. When the door bust up in the stink right up and I eat me see some on a big pussy girl a fun over here. And if you don't see what mother would want to pick and I just say, oh my God, my child. You would never give her. You would never give her. A batty man, me so not fun over here, dirty batty man. What don't like nobody more than a man. Them not like even like themselves. A man them like. 1 man. Guys who want some rose. Chat who want some more rose. Triple chat. No cure you there for a man and somebody gift them in a beg them one push them now give. Them now give you know. But them that I said someone else I saw the happy blood clotted. That's why some of the gifters me not like to know. No cure you there for a man in. Them that say alright, you're a woman like myself. Yeah, but I girl now my money more than some batty man. You not pay man for stay in a hotel room and store shit. I know I come to about Candy win 1 Candy. Win where? Candy can't see God face, you know, because I'm a thief and murder. Plus him a batty man. I straight, when you be that straight, Ellie ma go. When you be that straight, Ellie ma go. Candy can't see God face. And that me so not fun. Him don't go watch and book the room. Him don't book 2 room, 1 room, 2 bed. Bubble Gum over here, so him over there, so. 2 man in there. What you think them a do? 4 some. Burn the coke. Bubble Gum fuck Candy fuck Bubble Gum. Candy fuck the boy, Bubble Gum fuck the boy. Fuck and suck, coke. Appear shit. And I eat me soon fun over here. I eat me soon intriguing and nastiness. Me someone a big, long time stale woman like myself. Intriguing and nastiness. Nastiness me so intriguing that a nastiness. And me could never have fun 4 back boy in our house. Nastiness. And that me so not blood clad. And that me so not fun. Nastiness. So over here come talk about chicks want work. You want work to Candy because you name man. I Kemar Jones, the name Candy, the name Kemar Jones. Yeah, man. You need to go wash pot and scrub for. I wanna do you go to night work. Skin out your body wall. Yeah, man. Oh. Me can have my good money again, man, for go blood clot, dig out body wall. I wanna help Candy man. I don't know where she plug out. Stink like shit. The plug, the light plug out, you know. The mother said the light plug out.